What's up, traders? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Thursday, March 5th of 2026, and let's get right into it. Today was a really weird day in the market, to be honest. I originally did not want to take a trade, so I'm gonna explain to you guys why I didn't want to take a trade, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys why I ended up taking a trade, but why I traded it the way I did. Overall, price action isn't terrible. There's just like little hints here and there that are just like, okay, we need to slow down. I need to actually like capture everything that's going on. I did choose to trade my expresses today. We are up about $396 on the day. But yeah, let's get right into the chart. First thing I always do is go and check on my news. If you haven't seen any of my videos, I think it's just really important. But we've had a lot of war news come out, and it's making the market move really volatile and really fast, but it's also really amazing because you get trades really fast. So as you can see, we had 7:30 a.m. news. This is about an hour before market open. We had a little bit of a spike. It brought, some volatility into the market, but it was nothing crazy, and especially not for me since I don't trade at that time. Seeing that we have no news, I went ahead and just moved down to the chart. First things first, the pair that we traded today was NASDAQ, more so micro NASDAQ. So I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly why I didn't want to trade. As you can see here, we had a bunch of wicks, all this. I know what you might be thinking, Kiazi, how is that a demand zone? It's a demand zone. It's just a rally-based rally demand zone. So what that means is, so you got like the normal like low and high demand supply zone, but then you can also have these rally-based rally zones. I don't like to trade them as much, but here it was a pretty obvious one just because of the strong moves that we had. And as you can see, we've actually haven't been moving that much. That's also another reason why I didn't want to trade, because this is just like a lot of wicks. It was just kind of like indecisive for so long, and now it's like going up. So obviously I went ahead and marked out our zone here, and I want you guys to bear with me because on TopStep X, whenever I was trading this, it did not look like this at all. It looked a little bit different than this, but this is what we were going for. I was looking at TradingView and I was like, this is honestly a good point here. So that was a rally-based rally demand zone on the 1 hour. Went on to the entry time frame for that, which is the 5 minute, and then I waited for some confirmation here. Over here we took out this supply zone after kind of touching it, so it was really like a matter of like, alright, come back into the zone, and this is literally how I would have gone. That would have been the trade right there. It's really confusing. This is the 1 hour sideways. This is just sideways. The same lows getting wicked. It's in a range. You don't want to trade that. If you see a range in the market, like it's basically confused and slow. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that video of me actually trading the trade. Today's verse of the day is Isaiah 26:3. You will keep the mind that is dependent on you in perfect peace, for it is trusting in you. Today's verse of the day is protecting your peace by trusting in yourself. Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and keep up with the content I have coming out for you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!